Aside from the major academic journal databases like EBSCO and JSTOR, the NYSED library also provides electronic access to specialized e-journals and publications. And in this session, I'm going to go over 3 of those: Architectural Record, HERD, the Health, Environments, Research and Design Journal, and the Journal of Interior Design. These publications will give you access to recent case studies and specialized research in the field of healthcare design and interior design theory. A reminder that if you're accessing these resources from home, start from the NYSED portal, sign in with your user ID and password, go to the Quick Links column on the left-hand side of the page and click on the link for the NYSED library. From the library's homepage, click on the Articles tab, and you will see these publications listed here. Let's start with Architectural Record. Architectural Record is the major source for industry news, modern and design architecture, and sustainable design information for all building types. An important thing to note is that to access Architectural Record, you will have to log in separately. So when you click on the link for Architectural Record, you will be directed to the library's page in the portal. Here, you can note down the username and password, open up the site in a separate tab, and enter in the credentials here. Once you're on the Architectural Record site, I want to point out that you can perform basic searches or browse using the categories and drop-down menus in the top of the page. Of particular interest to NYSED students, under the Projects tab, there is a category called Building Type Studies. Here is where you will find articles and images about recent projects that fall under a variety of topics, including adaptive reuse, healthcare design, hospitality, and retail design, just to name a few. When you click on one of these topics, you will see a list of recent articles. These articles have industry-specific information and really excellent images. And at the very bottom of each of them, I want to point out there is detailed information about the designers and firms involved in the projects, as well as the materials. Next, I want to show you HERD Journal. Again, from the library's homepage, click on the Articles tab and the link for HERD Journal here. The Health, Environments, Research and Design Journal is an excellent resource for finding articles and case studies related to healthcare design. There are a few ways to navigate this site. You can browse the current issue or past issues, or do a basic search here or an advanced search here. As an example, I'm going to do a search for case study. As you can see, there are many results. Once you've found something that interests you, you can click on the full text PDF, which will load the article. Like the other databases that we've seen in other sessions, the tools that you can use are usually on the top and the right-hand side of the page, where you can download, print, email the article to yourself, and cite the article. Finally, I will briefly go over the Journal of Interior Design. Again, from the library's homepage, click on Articles and the title of the publication. The Journal of Interior Design is a scholarly publication which covers interior design theory, research, education, and practice, and it is the only journal that specializes in built spaces. This journal may be especially helpful for your more advanced courses, such as design theory or your thesis research. Similar to HERD, you can browse the current issue or back issues. You can also perform a search here. If you were browsing through the current issue, for example, and found something that interests you, you can again click directly on the link for the PDF, to load the article. From here you can see on the bottom and the right-hand side of the page are all of your tools to export the citation, to print, and to save the article. That concludes this session about specialized e-journals and publications. If you have any questions, please visit our website for more information, library.nicd.edu. Our contact information is found in the About the Library menu under Contact Us.